Hi there, I'm Casey Borski.
And I'm Brenna. I do weird things in the background.
And she's Skylar. And we're going to be interviewing Skylar today.
Valor.
Okay, so, hello Skylar, how are you doing today?
We just ate
What's
pizza,
this?
so if we burp,
Good.
you know, we're sorry if we burp.
And so, is your crush Christian Beatles? I mean, I've heard he's pretty hot looking.
Is that a big dirt? I'm sorry. Okay, I'll just go back to silently dancing.
So, okay, so, what do you think of Christian Beatles? What do you think of Christian Beatles?
Not nice to stare, little girl. Ow, you jerk! Just
Okay, what do you think of Christian Beatles? I fixed the burp.
Say what you think about Christian Beatles right now.
Do you love him? You do. Tell him that you love him. Christian Beatles, she wants you to call her. Anyways, okay, hold on.
Boom, 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 boom. Look, there's a heart. Oh, no, it's there. Now it's all up in your face.
Actually, if it was all up in your face, it'd be like this.
All up in your face. Oh, my stomach hurts.
Yes,
me.
Casey. So, yeah, we're just gonna say, yeah, we're done. So, peace,
Nice to see y'all.
love.